Hey, morning guys, it's SD. As you can tell, we're getting some serious wind. There's my bot taking off. And Missouri wind solar generator is doing pretty darn good. Last night I went to bed and batteries were at 24.9. And it's running my refrigerator, computer, TV, entertainment system at TV, and cable box and all that. And I'm using two ceramic heaters because it's getting a little cold. It's down in the 40s. So I had them running all night. When I woke up this morning, the batteries were at 25.2. See if we can see this here. I'm getting 31.7 volts in from the solar array. And 12.7 amps, 323 watts, and it's not too bad here. But this the wind has been constant, so I'm always getting some input. Might not be a whole lot, but it's enough. And batteries are doing good. In fact, I think the batteries were at 25.4. And that's still using everything. I ran the coffee maker this morning and they're still topped off. So it's doing pretty good. I like to have the power wires running from the vertical axis wind turbine in here. That would have been really outstanding, getting that power in, but I think that's too much for this charge controller. Have to wait and see. Let me see, the battery is 25.3. It dies off. Winds are out of the east, and that's almost the perfect direction. Getting wind speed right now of 9 miles an hour, and we've had a wind peak of 23. I'd like to see how much the input would have been off of that. I was in having coffee to keep them warm, man. But it's supposed to be today and tomorrow. We're supposed to have winds like this, so I guess we'll be living life there for a while. Yeah, isn't it just like every time you're ready to record something, the wind dies down? You stay inside and get plenty of wind. Let's see what she's doing outside here. Yeah, even the bot stopped there. The other one's still going. Let's see, I'm getting a little bit of sun. No clouds in the skies right now. So I'm getting some sun on the solar. It's early morning. It's about 8:30. That's the northeast right there. All the cables are keeping everything secure. And there was some leaves on that tree right there last night. Not anymore. Let's see if we can watch the input again here. Still at 9 miles an hour. They're seeing gusts up as far as 60 miles an hour. So what happens, how it cuts it down coming through all the homes around here. See, I'm shaking a little bit. It's getting a little chilly. Switch hands here, see if that works out any better. Not really, it's even worse. Winds out of the northeast right now. Hopefully you can see that on the camera. And I get 11 amps there. Staying about 10-11 amps. That's almost the perfect wind direction when it comes out of the east. That's right down the throat in the little channel between the trees that I've got here. Can imagine what kind of input I would have been getting if there wasn't any trees around here. But the wind's staying really consistent. It drops off a couple times there when it switches directions. There we had a wind gust from 21 miles an hour there. But it wasn't coming in the direction that was favorable for how the wind generator's set up. Because that big pine tree on the right hand side is blocking most of that. But it's enough to get a little bit of power. Now it's switching back around to the east, a little bit of southeast now. Batteries are at 25.5 now. I got everything here. Got the coffee maker going in there again, making another pot of coffee. Refrigerator's plugged in, microwave's plugged in. That's not being used right now. TV. Got a ceramic heater in the bedroom going. Another one sitting in the kitchen area, and got a parabolic heater in the living room. I'm trying to keep it warm. I don't like using the those baseboard heaters, or the like I guess they call them cadets. They're really inefficient. It's like 50 cents an hour just to use them, so I'm not using any of those. I'm using my own heat this year. Runs it off the solar system here. But even with all that going, the batteries are staying at 25.5. Still getting input. Wind's at 12 miles an hour now, but it's more out of the north. Alright, well, let's stop this video now and send this out to you guys, and we'll kind of keep another video going later on. Alright guys, we'll catch you later.